Morning guys, Jamaican are the best TV. I would just have a jump right in on the news. And see what I want from what I want.
Turn on the phone and video him. Turn on the phone and video him. I want the police man. Yo, wait. Turn on the phone. You have to shoot. Turn on the phone. Turn on the phone.
Where am I do?
No,
so why am I do that? You're poor doctor again. Of course, social
See man, kill him man there. Go. Where was Papi?
I would say him. Somebody
the monster.
Big batty boy. What time are the man? What time would that him short? Jesus Christ. I don't know officer come here and kill a bag of people. Fire shot, they start 5 people. Why no one man out here kill? Some man even know. He just come in here and kill him man.
I want it man.
No, he wants a sword for that.
Yeah, people so no see what go on there, so police shoot up a bag of people. Residents are telling them was walking on the yard in the night and shoot up and kill a bag of people. So people left on the take in the comment section who could know what go on. Police brutality this and people, so I don't have to tell me what go on, who could know what go on. Right, so now again people, police kill again, yeah man. We don't know if I 87 or even send this time in about me I tell you, mash up some of those again. So you are going to listen to the residents peeps. And left on the take in the comment section, yeah man, Jamaican are the best TV, we out here without fear.
The innocent little boy. In Liberty's 28. Wicked people. Wicked people.
So peeps, there you have it. Conclude the news. Why? When the new minister get the order there, police them just kill everything when them say everything we walk. The people, it's a far night. Leave a comment, remember to like, share the video them. Yeah man, support Jamaican at the best TV, best news, best reviews. They out here without fear. Moving on now, moving on. Yeah man, so they're supposed to run over him, you know? Yeah bro, so just stick and stay and watch what go on. Morning guys, Jamaican are the best TV. I would just have a jump right in on the news. Yeah man, you're gonna see what go on, what go on.
Hey boy, get up now. You better move, because if you're not moving, I'm going to run this over here. Run me and run this. See me now, move. go nowhere. I feel my blood clot, feel good this way, you feed me. Here when me hungry, you give me food. When me hungry, you give me food, me now move my blood clot, you have to come haul me out of your son. A free country, a free will. Me have a right to lie down on the ground if you want. And my clothes, and me a buy my fob. And me a buy my fob soap.
No, sir. He man little and then people to blow up. How this?
Look like he that here.
Are you buy the wash pan?
I buy the wash pan.
Are you have to send to a school?
I send 50 to school.
I don't want that bomb, blood.
No, sir. Me need to go cross. We need to go cross, cause it's serious.
Yo, then go move with the man out of this. Move with the man. Put the man out of this. When that get ready to move it, he ain't gonna say man this is and then which is the man put the man out of this. So when that get
When you ask what law have you broken before, you give no info about a living man.
The Road Traffic Act is giving it certain powers. We are along the roadway, sir. We observe your motor vehicle coming, and we observe that the tint on your motor vehicle is obscuring your vision based on the Road Traffic Act, and so we have pulled you over. We have pulled you over. We have an examiner here who is going to examine the vehicle to ensure that you are in keeping with the Road Traffic Act. So based on that, now we are now requesting for you to provide the documents for your vehicle and documents to identify yourself as the driver of the motor vehicle. Failure to do so, sir, I'm going to place you in custody until I can get your true identity as to who you are and the legality of you operating.
Alright, so based on that what you just said,
Yes, sir.
I am reserving all my rights. No, I listen to you now. Can I get my recording now?
Yes, sir.
So I'm reserving all my rights,
Yes,
right? I'm not waiving any rights.
No, sir.
And $500,000 an hour if you seize my automobile. And if you're gonna detain me, let me finish. If you're gonna detain me,
Yes, sir.
I need to see a judge today.
Yes, sir.
So that's it.
I'm going to arrest you. I'm going to arrest you, sir. And you can call. It's a bit.
The police enforce me vehicle is light in front of me. I tell the police. You pass me just up there, sir.
I mean, I give the authority to go try turn on the light. And that means I said to you. So now that means I said to you, my boss, so you can't ticket me for light in front of me. There's no light in front of me. And that's the simple as I'm general. Where you go ticket me for?
You're simple. You turn them off.
My boss, me not have
We can,
no light
right,
in
we can
front of me.
play, we can do some hard with.
Alright, what would be the hard?
You go then.
And how you go prove it?
Then, listen, when me write the ticket and me put the comment on the ticket.
So where you go tell the judge, say me turn it off?
When we pull you turn it off.
You can't tell me that when you stop behind the vehicle, my boss.
You pass me pass you.
Hold on, wait. You pass me up a Hopewell. Hold on, you pass me up a Hopewell. Right. Pull up. Me pull up, right?
Yes, you were
all right,
stopped.
good.
Right?
Why you never go so boom and pull me over? Why you never, when I go so boom, when I prepare mirror, wait now, my boss. Mr. Newman. Mr. Newman. All right, so Mr. Newman, what is that? So you are the police now, my boss. And you see my vehicle park up. See it more, you listen to me argument good enough, my boss. You are the police and you pass me and you see my vehicle park up. And you wait until me pass you down there, so you're going to pull me off the light, but you never come to yourself if stop to find out if me good can me park up on the roadside. And you did it to protect and serve. Come on, Mr. Newman. Better than that. Better policing than that. Come on, Mr. Newman. Yes, of course, then. Come on, Mr. Newman. You pass up. I do. Hold on, Mr. Newman.
All over the place. to do various things, right?
Yeah.
You could have stopped there with the woman, I don't know
But here what you say, are you, I want you to me attack after you know. No, I want you to say, you said to me, say, hear what you say now. You said to me, say, you think there's something wrong with me. And that's the thing. Right. So if you claim there's something wrong with me.
Another scenario is you could have stopped there with
No, we don't reach out. But even if I'm a woman, see? Even if I'm a woman, you can still pull up and say, boss, you want to go on, you're good?
Right now, I fuck for the roadside.
And if I fuck with the fuck, you can't I know you take public, you know.
We're not going to know.
Yeah,
I'm supposed to have the knowledge, not true.
But Mr. Newman, in a real life, you cannot pick up me for your life where you cannot find.
I don't know how you turn it on.
Me not turn it off.
But what I know, the whole reason why
And what color light it was?
it look green.
Look. You're dead in the show. You're dead in the show. For you going to say it look green, you cannot give me a specific light. No, Mr. Newman. What color light is? Yeah.
Both of you are trying to point.
What?
Right? The main reason or the only reason I stopped you in the first place was because you had the lights on, right? You knowing that me stop it. Most, no, that's it, 99% you most like me stop it.
No, me can't know that. Because as me say, a police can pull you over. So Mr. Newman. Mr. Newman. Mr. Newman. You can't close. Hold on. Mr. Newman. You want me to say? Yeah. You want me to say? Mr. Newman. I really do that reason. Me feel like it passed. It passed very light. I really do have a reason. But when I say, you know, I work out. No, but you go say something. This one me go ask. We're going to show you how easy we get our fight ticket. If you didn't plan to ticket. What the law say about the light?
The law coming in with it. The government coming in with it.
What color you say? What color?
Emitting blue light.
Blue light.
Capable to emit blue light.
No.
Not only blue light.
No. It's a blue light. I can show you it right now. It's a blue light straight. No other.
No.
You know, say nothing about authority. Me no say nothing about authority.
There's more than one and one offense in the bar.
Why is it?
Alright? The blue lights, red lights, only light in your dimension or whatever, I don't think it's a problem. It's like the yellow light.
Fog light. The original one there.
Me have it in my ticket. Me have
The original yellow light. You see the one where they send out on the media. The one that they send out on the media. Clearly indicated blue light. And even me did have a problem with it. Because me I say, alright, watch this now. If a blue light, look on the amount of different color light in a bumper. But me not say it here about 2 days ago. So how these people sit down and come up with blue light alone. So why do you get a loan for the paper to see?
Honestly, me look on it and me see what there's a whole things there. How is it? Just say you upgrade one system, and in upgrading the system, you make it worse than it was before.
Already in the dog. Them books already in. Someone for the same. Like when a flash and stuff, them don't like. The blue one can't do without. But the little light, if I'm having a little different, you can't stay one now and get me problem, you know? So Newman, I'm going to say something to you. I'm going to say something to you. I'm a police bridging over this. I'm going to say something to you. No man, find our police, we good. I'm going to say something to you. And it is sad coming from me, but I am going to say this.
And when I identify something else, I can work again.
The police over there tell you. Police over there tell you. But it is sad. It is sad coming from me, but I'm going to say this to you. The government no, point blank, so they don't pay police good. So watch this now. And they're afraid to give you 120 or 130%. So here what they do not understand. They put some things in place and say, You almost know if you don't want to make peace. No, you're not. No, you're not. I should agree, Mr. Newman. But I mean to tell you that. Because listen to this now. Newman, listen to this now. Not watch this. You're going to boom now. How much you like car? Charge 15 grand. So you're going to boom now. You pull up somebody and say, yo, 15,000 charge. See? 15,000 charge. You pull up. Yeah, somebody feel like. See? Come on. Government has said you to make this a fool. So, Mr. Newman, in a real life, that's true, but in a real life, you feel like saying a police in a really pull up a civilian now, and you say 10,000, and you report it. You know the time, you know, what tell you when police get problem? Greedy make police get problem all the while. Yeah, man. Greedy all the while. Greedy.